If you're having issues printing with your HP Officejet Pro, stay tuned because we're going to be going into a solution in this video. Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer repair video. Today we got the HP Officejet Pro 8035. Basically, if you're having these common issues with your printer, which is you're not able to print a certain color, you have choppy prints, which means that there are lines showing up, or you're printing blank pages, then in this video I'm going to show you how to solve that problem, and that's going to be with the Best Printers Cleaning Kit. I'm going to be showing you how to use the Best Printers Cleaning Kit. There will be a link for it in the description below. Now, along with the Best Printers Cleaning Kit link, there will be additional links if I do mention products along the way. You using these links and purchasing the Best Printers Cleaning Kit does support this channel, so that is greatly appreciated. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the kit on this printer, and this kit is compatible with so many different printers. So if you have friends or family and you know that they have this issue, then share this video with them, share the product with them, and hopefully this solves your problem. Now, if you're having this issue, most likely it is because you have run your ink too low. That is the main culprit of this problem. So what is happening is you have a print head and you have your ink cartridges that sit on top of that print head, which we're going to be looking at in just a second. Basically, your ink has dried up and you need to flush it through. That's what this kit does, and I'm going to be showing you how to do that in this video. Now, if you have any questions at all, please comment below. Make sure to like and subscribe. I hope that this video ends up being helpful to you. So that's enough of me. Let's get right into this repair. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go right into the settings, and you are going to print out a report. Now, this report, you're going to hang on to it while you are doing the repair. And during the repair, this report will be a guide for you for which color exactly it is you're having an issue with. Now, if you already know the colors you're having an issue with and you're certain of it, then you really don't need to do this, but you still should, just to have a second reference. Alright, so what you're going to be doing at this point is you're going to be pulling out the ink cartridges. Now, the ink cartridges are going to be the main culprit with this problem. You have either run them too low or you've run them dry and you didn't realize it. So I'm going to be leaving a link in the description below for some brand new remanufactured versions of this ink. I do highly recommend that when you're doing this repair that you do buy a new set of ink cartridges, whether it's through me or at the store, so that at the end of the repair you are placing fresh ink cartridges into the printer. Alright, so this is what you will need for the repair. Some paper towel, of course the Best Printers Cleaning Kit, a small tub like that with the new ink cartridges. Now, you do want to fold up the paper towel just like this, all the way up until it's kind of like a rectangle that will fit under the print head. You may have to, test and see how many folds you need to do exactly, but that needs to go directly under the print head. That is going to basically absorb all of the cleaning solution that we're going to be pushing through this print head. Alright, so here is the famous Best Printers Cleaning Kit. If you haven't already purchased yours by clicking the link below in the description, go ahead and do that now. Now, the syringe that I just pointed out here is 20 milliliters. This should be able to flush out a good amount all at once, and that's exactly why we have a 20 milliliter syringe. So really at this point what we're doing is we are narrowing down the colors that are having the issues, because those are the colors we're going to focus on. Now, if you have a general quality issue and all the colors are giving you some type of issue, then you're going to have to clean all of them. However, I'm starting with black and I'm going to hit cyan. Also, the cleaning solution is not infinite, so you do want to be careful with how much you're using. However, you do want to flush a good amount into each of the nozzles that are giving you issues. Now, if you still have some left over at the end, then you can clean all of the nozzles, and that would not be a problem for you to do it all. So what you're seeing right here is the solution is going into the nozzle. It is breaking up that old, dried up ink, and it is pushing it through to the other side, and you will see that on the paper towel towards the end here. So once you are done, you can actually use the syringe to start cleaning, along with all this wiping that I'm going to be doing with the paper towel. You can put your syringe into the pockets that have the cleaning solution that have been filled, because with this type of printhead, that's what happens. And you can kind of just, pull out some of the cleaning solution that way. But before you do proceed with anything else, once you're done with the cleaning, once you're satisfied and you do believe that you got all the colors you need to, then make sure everything is wiped down completely, and you're going to pull out this paper towel that was at the bottom, that is the dried up ink that was blocking your printhead, and you're going to be tossing that into the trash. Now, just for reference here, this is how much cleaning solution it took me to thoroughly clean the black and cyan nozzles. So there is a good amount here, but of course just still be careful and only use what you need. If not, you will have to buy another cleaning kit, because currently we do not sell the bottles alone. Okay, and at this point you are going to be replacing the ink cartridges, and hopefully you've got your brand new fresh. Now if you were replacing your old ink cartridges into here and they're dried up and they're running low, you're going to run into the same problem. You're going to have to do this all over again. So that's why I highly recommend that you put in new ink cartridges, unless you believe that somehow yours are going to work, that they still have a lot of ink or something. I don't know, but maybe go with the cautionary side of replacing them. Now, a part of this whole process is actually going into the settings and running a printhead cleaning. It's not for the sake of cleaning the printhead. It is, you're going into printer maintenance, clean the printhead, and you are doing this 3-4 times, even sometimes it may be less, but that is basically going to be pushing the ink back into the printhead, and then you will be able to print normally again. Now you can try to print multiple times until the color comes back, but I have found that this is the easiest way to do it. I really hope that this was helpful for you. I hope that the products that I've mentioned end up helping you out. Make sure to get your Best Printers cleaning kit. If you have any questions at all about the process here, comment below. Now, if this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like and subscribe. That would greatly benefit this channel. And thank you if you have purchased any of our products, the cleaning kit, this printer, through our links in the description below. That is greatly appreciated. But that's really all the time I have for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.